Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mike and would like to invite you to our office here in Santa Clara to our presentation that we have every third Wednesday, our educational class. We will teach you about different subjects. We'll talk about the HVAC, solar panels, everything that makes your home very efficient and valuable. And we would be happy to answer all your questions. All of our technicians and sales are qualified and professionally trained to work with all of the equipment that we have here. You can have like a hands-on experience to turn on the systems, see how they work, how they sound, see the quality of the equipment, and also we'll have discussion of everything related to the making your home more efficient. Some of the things that we're going to discuss are the tax rebate, tax credits, electrification of your house, new solar panels, efficient HVAC systems, heat pump water heaters, generators, batteries, and many more things that are gonna make your house more efficient, including things like a ductwork, insulation, and different efficiency measures. At the end of our sessions, we usually provide very nice gifts to every single attendant. The most important thing is we'll provide you with the beverages and cookies to make sure you're not bored with all the new information you're about to learn. This is our office and educational center. There is plenty of parking for you to come in and visit us. Every third Wednesday of each month, we'll have a meeting here, and you can sign up at the link below at the meetup group. And I'm looking forward to see you guys. Thank you.